The FO field is often used as a time and space-saving alternative to fusion splicing. So let's compare the two in a typical application like a wall outlet. The FO field and splicing require similar skills, good eyesight, and steady hands. First, the preparation of fiber with stripping and cleaving. Insert the fiber directly into the FO field, which replaces the pigtail of conventional splicing. This saves time and money. The assembly process itself is very intuitive. Insert the fiber, click the red button, and fix the buffer. Done. While our installer is winding up the fibers, in order to successfully assemble the FO field, you need a cleaver, preferably 8 degrees, a stripping tool, and a connector, of course. Most installers do have the equipment already. So the FO field is ideal for smaller installation companies which need to repair or assemble some connectors every now and then. But it also helps bigger fiber rollouts, as training for the FO field can be done within a few hours, and the equipment is cheaper than splicing solutions. Relocation is as easy as it can be due to the minimum tools required. FO field, the time-saving alternative to splicing. Thanks to excellent optical performance, no compromise needed. The SC or LC FO field are fully compatible to all existing platforms and components. The FO field replaces the conventional connector and splice, which saves space and money. With only brief training to be ready and the saving in installation equipment, all the incentives are there.